So we're going to change the washer motor. To do that, undo this grill and then take that out. Then you've got this, which you just push the tab down and then you can pull this out. And now it's in here. If you put your hand in there, it's just there and you can get to it. I'm going to take the front panels off so that way I can actually show what I'm doing, because otherwise you won't be able to see anything because I'm just going to be putting my hand down there. Start off by removing the grill. To do that, there's 4 clips. There's 4 clips at the bottom and about 3 at the top. You can see there's like a little ridge where you can fit a screwdriver in, and then you just have to pry the little clip up. And then just pull it out slightly as you're doing it. Push that in and just pull it very slightly. And we'll do the middle one up here in the little gap for the screwdriver. You can feel a little bit of tension relief. Then we go to the bottom. And same with this one. And then got one at the top here. And then the last one should be just there. And if any have popped back in, just redo them. And you can remove it. Okay, so here you can see with it off, you're basically going to push this clip in. It's a perfect little slot for the screwdriver. Just push that in and it will release. You basically do the same for all of the top ones and then the same for the bottom ones. Then the grill is removed. Next we're going to remove these 2 bolts, and they're T25s, one on this side and one on the other side where the fog lights are. And the same on the other side. So now we're going to come to the side, and there's some bolts going all the way across. So to get to them, open the door. So where the door is, there's 4 here, and then there's some hidden behind. There's one hidden behind here. So start by just undoing these. These are T25s as well. And then there's this little black one that's not a proper bolt, it's just a little bit of plastic with a clip. So get a little screwdriver and try and get it in behind. That comes out. Once you've undone that little clip, just slide it out. That comes out and it reveals a bolt just here. So loosen this bolt as well. And now just remove them all. And now we just need to unclip it, but before we unclip it, to just get it out of the way, we'll do the same on the other side. This side's exactly the same, except for you just have to unscrew the antenna. Apart from that, the rest of the process is the same on this side. Bottom of the bumper, just here, so it's in line with this little piece at the bottom, and the same on the other side. There's these little clips which you just lift the bottom of the bumper and pull it slightly towards you. Do the same on both sides, so that way the front of the bumper's free. Now we're going to unhook it from each side of the door. So we're going to unhook it from here, but be careful not to drop the panel, and also we're going to have to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors. So just get the panel and just sort of slowly pull it out slightly, just to slowly release it a little bit, but then the door's in the way, so then we're just going to close the door, and that should get us enough space to pull it out. So with the door shut, you can pull the rest of that panel out slightly, and then just leave it there for a second. Okay, and once you've got that out a little bit, again, close the door and get the rest from the outside. And pull the panel out. Got an electrical connector for the fog light. So you just disconnect and do the same on the other side. Then over here, if your car has fog lights, then at the back of each fog light you've just got a connector. So there's these little metal prongs, just squeeze them on each side. There's one at the top, one at the bottom, and then just pull it away. And then the same on the other side. Squeeze it and pull it away. Now you can take the whole front panel away from the car. Inside of the panel, these are the clips that you had to undo, but you can see at the bottom there's another small little clip that you pull outwards towards the outside of the car, just as you're pulling it apart. Okay, so once you've removed the front panels, then you've got better access to the motor. So if you didn't want to remove the panels and you just wanted to do it by removing the grille, you'd be able to reach down here. It would be tight, but you can do it. So because we've got this removed, we're going to undo the pipe. So just twist the pipe a little bit just to free it up, and then start to pull it out. Might need to twist and pull at the same time. I'll get a screwdriver to help you. And just keep that to one side, then we've got the other side. That's the same thing, so just twist it to make sure it's broken free, the sill, and then just use a screwdriver to pull it out. Now, you can either undo the electrical connector or we can pull it out. I'm going to pull it out first, and then I'm going to get the new one and put that in straight away, so that way it doesn't end up, so all the water doesn't end up leaking everywhere. It's not a big deal, you have to just top it up, but might as well try and stop it from coming out. So pull it out of this like that, and then just pull it up. Now this one's already got the rubber still on there, this has got the new one, so we'll take the rubber out. Okay, so once you've cleaned it up and put the new seal in, we can get the new one, push it in and then down, so that's in place now. So now we've just got the electrical connector to do. So you press down on this and then pull it away, like that. And we can clip it in onto the new one. That's it. And then get the pipes and just put them on. So push this one onto there, make sure it's fully seated, and the same with this one. And that's it. Now we can put the front panels back on. So bring the panels back close to the car and get your fog light connectors and then plug it in. Once you've brought it close enough, then connect the fog lights back in. So just get the connector and just push it till it clicks. And the same on the other side. Put the bulb back in and then twist. And same on the other side. Get the indicator and just twist. Pull it up and then towards the car. So you can just line it up. Just push that in for now, and then do the same on the other side. Just slide it all in, and then we can start doing the bolts. So push the bottom of the bumper in so it clips in. So those two are in place. And then go back to the side door. Get your 4 screws and just put them in. Don't fully tighten them yet because we haven't got everything in place, but just start putting them in and just tighten them up by hand. the outside. And then do them up with the ratchet. These don't need to be too tight. Get the little panel cover and just slide it on. And then get the little clip and put it in. And then push the little retainer in, and that side's done. Now do the same for the other side. So again, just get the clips and screw them in, just by hand. And do the one on the outside. And just tighten it with the ratchet, and then do the inside ones. And then get that cover again, slide it over, and then put the clip in that, and put the retainer in, and then we're going to go outside and screw the aerial back in. And just tighten it up with a ratchet. And same on the other side. And then the grill just clips in place. You've got the 3 clips at the top and the 4 at the bottom. So just line it up. And then just push to make sure they're all in. And you're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.